Today on breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooking, I am going to be making jalapeno cheddar cornbread. So here we go. So I've got 2 cups of white Lily cornmeal mix, and I'm going to use 1 egg. Just a little bit better. 1 egg. Add in. And then 1.25 cups of milk. This is whole milk. Put that in. And I am going to put a little bit of about 1/4 cup of oil in my cast iron skillet here. And I'm going to heat it up in my 425 oven. Circle that oil all around. So I'm going to heat that up for just a few minutes in my oven. Then I'm going to take 1/2 stick of butter, softened butter, and I am using these jalapeno slices that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they are really hot. So I'm only going to use 1/8 cup of them. And then I'm going to put in about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Maybe 1 cup, a little over 1 cup. Okay. I'm going to stir that around. Get that butter going in there. And that egg. Can't go wrong with butter, right? I'm going to take this to Cards today. I think they'll like it. Okay. I've got the pan heated up a little bit here. So I'm going to get that out. And I'm going to pour my cornmeal mix in there. Okay, and this should take about right around 20-25 minutes, and I'll get back with you. Okay, it's coming out of the oven. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful jalapeno cheddar cheese cornbread. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the top. Spread that around. Oh my gosh, does that ever look good? You should smell this. Yum, yum. This actually only took about 20 minutes in this big skillet, probably because it wasn't so thick, but oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to attempt to cut this. Even though it's so hot. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Wish me luck. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful jalapeno cheese cornbread. Yum, yum. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it and love the Lord with all your heart. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.